What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to set up dark mode on your iPad or iPhone. What we need to do, we need to open settings, and in settings we need to scroll down and we need to click on display and brightness, and right here you'll have appearance option, light or dark. If we switch to the dark, everything switches to the dark mode, and then if we go back to home screen, even your background page is darker now. And then if we go back to settings, what we can do, we can enable automatic option here, and then we can click on options. It's either going to be sunset or to sunrise, or what we can do, we can create a custom schedule, and right here you can set up a time when to have light mode and a dark mode. And if, for example, you change your mind, you can always switch it back to light mode, disable automatic, and it's just going to bring everything to default. If this video was helpful, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.